Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make Moogadara. Moogadara is a vegetarian meal and it's basically rice and lentils. It's very easy to make, little bit of ingredients, but it's very delicious. You have to try it. But before we start, if this is your first visit to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see the ingredients. We have here a half cup of lentils washed and a half cup of rice wash and we're gonna leave it in soak for 20 minutes. Half a cup of rice rinsed and left in a soak for 20 minutes. We have a half spoon of cumin and 1 spoon of salt. We also have cutting onion on olive oil. In a pot we put some water with the lentils and we add a little bit of olive oil on it. Then we put it on the stove to cook it up. When it starts boiling, we're gonna add the cumin and the salt. We're gonna cook the lentils half cooked, and that's gonna take around 10 to 15 minutes. It's depend the quality and the type of lentils that you're using. But we taste it, and if it's half cooked, we add the rice on it. If you see that the water is too much on the rice, just take it off until it's reached 2 centimeters above the rice. But if you see that it needs more water, you can always add more water on it. And we're gonna leave it cooked like any kind of rice. We'll wait until the rice absorbs the water. Then we turn the heat down and cover the rice and leave it for around 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna fry the onions with the olive oil. Add a lot of olive oil, believe me, it's delicious. And after we fry the onions, we're gonna add the oil and a little bit of onions over the rice and keep it covered for 10 minutes. And we gonna on a plate we're gonna put an Moogadara just like you see on the video, and we're gonna put the rest of the onion in the top of it. We eat المجدرة with the natural yogurt or salad, tomato salad, and some olives. You can eat it alone without anything. This is a very delicious dish. This is a very delicious dish for the vegetarians people. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.